I'm Moira Tennant and I'm the cook in charge here at Rhosnesni. It's a work in progress and it's early days, but the pupils were keen and the management of school meals were keen. So we're trying to move away from as much plastic as we can and go to biodegradable. So we've changed plastic forks. We're on wooden forks that can go in the food waste. We have biodegradable straws. We've done away with polystyrene, and so we're on cardboard. And it's, as I say, a work in progress, but it's going well so far. I've got a very good team here, and they realise the importance of it and why we're doing it, and they've taken it on board without any issues at all. And we've moved out from like a film front bag to a paper to wrap food in, but now we can then progress presumably to biodegradable papers and this sort of thing. So it's, yes, definitely working forward, moving on with it. We can't stand still.
I'm Menter Ailgylchu Smith. I'm the catering manager for high schools. In the high schools, we're taking Rhosnesni as a tri-school to send out recyclable bins. They've been in just over a week at the moment. It's proving highly successful. The children are actually dividing the rubbish generally into the correct bin. So really pleased with the result.
Part of our education drive is to do this. We've got excellent facilities in Wrexham, in Bryn Lane, and I would encourage all schools and councils to undertake some of the work that's really good example in Rhosnesni to help us achieve our recycling rates of 70% by 2025. So on behalf of Wrexham Council, a big thanks from me to the children and the school at Rhosnesni.
So far, they have introduced bins to the school for general waste, food waste and recycling, like plastics. I think this is like a major difference to what the school was, say, 2 weeks before that, because there were black bins and everyone just chucked everything in there. And now everyone separates the stuff. So it's a lot better because there can be more recycling.
They've got new bins and they've got new like wooden forks and like biodegradable spoons, so it's like they're trying to get rid of plastic, but obviously for some things you can't get rid of plastic, but it's all about cutting it down, and it's made a difference. Like the kids are putting stuff in the bins that are like dedicated for each one, which is good.
They've been very useful because like we've seen a lot more change in like the recycling, and like people started using a lot more of the bins, because it used to just be like one bin and it used to be like scattered everywhere. So it's good that we've got the new bins now and everyone keeps on using them. Because I get confused like what to put in which bin. So like we've had these new like posters and things like to tell you what to put in which bins. Like these, we've been told what to put in the different bins, and that's been very useful as well.
So pleased to see it. The canteen is much cleaner. They're actually putting their waste in the correct places. Okay, not perfect, but you know, we're getting there, and it's definitely improving the state of the canteen as well, which is excellent.
I'd just like to thank the children from the school council at Rhosnesni for some of the work that they've undertaken at the school. I think we've seen some excellent comments from the children here today, and some of the work that's been undertaken by the school council and the school in general is really encouraging.
Whenever I go out, I'll make sure that I bring my own bag. Like if I go to Asda, I'll make sure I get a reusable bag and all that sort of stuff. So.
Because we've only got Earth to live on and we can't move to Mars, so you've got to save it by recycling and reusing.